Okay, hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 1986 circle headlamp 3-speed Honda Super Cub 50. It's in the kind of iconic green colour. Overall, all really very original, very true to itself bike. So there is some signs of it being from 1986, I guess. Nearly 36 years old or whatever it is. 37 years old. Front tire is okay. The alloy again probably just needs a good detail, I would say, overall the bike. The paintwork is actually probably the best thing about the bike. You've got a little bit of as you can see, aging on the front rack here, but it's present. All the little things here in the chrome up over the top of the paint on is pretty good. It's got very, very low mileage on it, which is good to see. Underneath the seat then here, there is some surface rusting, but nothing too sinister on the bike at all. Underneath, it's actually pretty bloody good, as you can see. There is some little bits, but rear tire is good, exhaust is good, the engine is running really nicely, as you'll see in the video itself. 1986 registered and ready to go. €26 road tax. So cheap to run and keep going. Chain guard present, side stand and a main stand. Some pitting on the engine, as you can see here, but to be honest, if you wanted something, again, these kind of 80s and 70s and 80s models are very, very rare at the minute compared to the newer ones that are coming in from Japan. So if you wanted something that's really kind of a bit more maybe collectible, a bit more valuable, and you wanted a little bit of fettling, this is perfect for you. You just want to have it up, do a little bit of scrubbing and cleaning and detailing, or if you just want to ride it as it is, because it does ride really, really nicely, then this is absolutely ideal. So that's it for the walk around. Let's go for a ride along.
Okay, now we're on to the lovely Honda 50 from 1986. I mean, I've ridden countless numbers of Honda 50s over the times here at Retro Bikes Dublin. So turn on the ignition, get out the kickstart, and if I can move it forward here, give her a rev as you kick, and give it a proper kick, don't give it a shit kick, and you should be ready to go. This is a 3-speed circle headlamp version. Now let me get my bearings here. Get that mirror out. This is riding really, really nice. Suspension feels really good to begin with. A lot of times you get on these Honda 50s and the rear starts to just turn into nothingness, and by that I mean it just bottoms out the rear. So this feels nice and tight. Indicator working there at the front right. Let's see what speed we can get out of it. Now there has been really bad sun here as I've been coming out and down to the right, so just bear with me now as we go up past here. I do have to concentrate. You'll see now in a sec. We'll be turning right at the end of this junction. I sound like a car instructor there. Turn right at the end of the junction. Into first, you'll see here first of all, it's absolutely blinding. I don't know what it's like on the camera, but we'll see. And away we go. Up the hill. This is riding absolutely beautifully. For 1986, I mean, you definitely cannot complain with the ride of this. I mean, it must have been an absolute joy to ride one of these back in the day. Compared to what other crap was out. I mean, at this 50cc range, this must have been nice quality. Now we'll slow down here, bang her into first, give her a bit of rev matching, and yes, you can rev match on a Honda 50 even though there's no clutch. And there's kind of an in-between as you go down. You kind of slip it in slightly into neutral as you slightly press down on the back of the, you can do it on the front of the guest as well, but on the back of the gear lever you can rev it and then put it in fully into gear. This is riding lovely. You get the speed warning at 45 k's, and that's standard for all the Japanese makes and models. Yeah, standard for all the Japanese makes and models. It's just their speed limit over there. are very, very strict. So we'll just turn right at the end here as well. Popping it into second. And as you see, when you rev match a Honda 50, it's a different ball game, because usually, like, if I just bang it into first there, which you can do, which is fine, you kind of get this jolting forward, you kind of get a really high slow down of speed. Whereas if you don't do that, it's really nice and gentle and lovely to ride. So there's a bit of skill to getting used to these things, but you do get used to it after a while. Now, put it into neutral. And we'll go through the electrics. Let me just put the headlamp on. Low beam and high beam working. If we get the, sorry, that wasn't the indicators. Left indicator, front left and rear left working. Front right and rear right working. And the brake light also working. Everything nice and good, tight, feeling really nice riding bike. Honda C50 from 1986. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us, we are Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.